Everybody, welcome to Trilogy Tech Talk. I'm Rena Santoro, and we are at the 2016 RSA conference in San Francisco. I'm here hanging out the Covata booth, and here to help me out is Trent Telford. Trent, how you doing?
Hey Rena, thanks for talking to us today.
You're very welcome. All right, Trent, so tell me a little about Covata and what you guys are all about.
Hi, yeah, well look, we're a data security company, data-centric, so we're not about the old ways. There's 80% of the market cap in the halls here are full of people doing firewalls and network-based security. We look after the data itself, make sure it's secure, can get anywhere across the internet and cloud and mobile, and it's going to be safe in a nutshell.
All right. And you started Covata about 8 years ago. So what did you feel that was missing in the hot topic of security? So why did you start Covata?
Look, we looked at it and thought, you know what, the internet was never designed to be secure. It's actually designed to share information. So what's everybody do? They put firewalls in and tunnels and network, and you look at everybody around flogging better, software to protect things and tell you if there's a bad guy. It's a really backward-looking view. Everybody's in the rear-view mirror, right? The internet was designed to be open and send stuff around. So trying to protect it that way, you're done. Ask the Pentagon, ask DOD, ask JP Morgan. If all that stuff worked, why'd they all get hacked? So we looked at it differently and thought, you know what, you still need that stuff, really important, but you need to protect the actual pieces of data and let the network look after your key server or access or identity server, which is what we put together, access plus identity plus crypto, and then the data can just go anywhere. So we patented that approach, and we've got some pretty big partnerships and deals happening accordingly.
All right, that's right. Actually, talking about partnerships, I overheard you partnered with Cisco. So tell me a little bit about that.
So Cisco's got a big push into cloud, and IoT is another big part of what they're doing. And again, they're a forward-looking company. So they were looking at it saying, you know what, if we just rely on network-based security, this isn't going to scale. So with us, they can take this and embed it in what they're doing with SXP, their service exchange platform, their big cloud offering, as well as part of their IoT world. And we can encrypt every little bit of data tied to sensors or machines or identity and let it just travel around the internet without any issues. So we've got a big long-term deal with Cisco, and we're pretty confident that'll turn into good stuff for us and them.
Of course. And also you created a file sharing application that was based off your core platform. Tell me a little bit more about that.
We did. So because we've got that underlying security chops, I suppose, we built a file sharing application. People, if you think of Box and Dropbox and all that, that's great if you're a business that's not really in compliance or like government and banking, and they're not going to go. They're like, so we built it properly with all the security, and we sell it through big telcos. So we have big government customers, big enterprises that need compliance and security. Our background was out of defence and intelligence and secret world were our first customers. So we came with all that credibility that others haven't. So we're focused on the high end of government and enterprise for SafeShare that, if they wanted those big public clouds, they'd already be there, but they're waiting for guys like us.
And Trent, is there anything else you'd like to add about Covata?
No, look, I think for everybody out there, go and have a look at the website, covata.com. We're doing some really interesting things that others aren't. We're a publicly traded company as well, so we think there's a pretty bright future for us. So thanks very much.
All right, thank you very much, and good luck with the rest of the show.
Thanks very much, Rena.
Thank you.